Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Career. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the interview questions which I had in my system engineer interview for Dish Wireless. It is also known as Dish Network. It is a US based company and they're working on they're like this OTT provider in US like Netflix, and they're also working on this 5G wireless thing. So for that, they were hiring for a system engineer, and I was reached out to by a recruiter from LinkedIn, not LinkedIn. I was reached out to by a recruiter from Naukri. I've made my profile on Naukri, and I keep getting calls from there. And yeah, to get calls from Naukri, all you have to do is like create a profile with 100% filled details, everything you should have filled, experience, education, skills, certifications, projects, and everything, and have a updated resume. And also, if you can, put your notice period 15 days or less, and then you see how many calls you get. So that is the trick to do that. Mine is anyways 30 days. So even if they call and ask me how many days notice period, that time I tell it is 30 days and they don't mind that as well. So in this interview, I'll just discuss the questions which were asked to me. This is the company, Dish Wireless, also known as Dish Network. It is, you can find it on LinkedIn, and they have many openings as of now, and you can go ahead and check on LinkedIn or go to their career portals. I have opened it here. So this is their career portal, and I just searched system engineer. So as you can see, in Bangalore, they are hiring for a VMware system engineer, which was posted on July. I think this is the same position, but I not sure if VMware was there in it, but they had asked me a question related to VMware. So this could be it, and I'm not sure. Since so, anyways, this is the only system engineer one position I see here. So yeah, let's get back to the questions now. So this is my profile. I'm working as a system engineer at Oracle, and I've been working for Oracle for past 1 year. And before that, I was in Cerner Healthcare. So there I completed 2 years. So totally, I have 3.5 years of experience. Okay, so first question was introduce yourself and tell about your day-to-day activities, where I described what I do and what my role is, responsibilities, all that. Then how to check the current version of the Linux you're using, then how to check kernel version on Linux, how to check IP address of a Linux server, how will you delete files and folders that are older than 30 days, how to check cron jobs which are set on the Linux server, how to check ports which are open on a Linux server. Then they asked me if you have any experience with VMware. I have a bit of experience where I provision servers on VMware, and uh, like there's this stack of servers which we have, and I usually go to reboot them and uh, launch web consoles from that. So I told them that, and then they asked me to explain DNS. They moved to networking side of the questions, and in here they asked me DNS, difference between A record and CNAME record, what is DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, and explain the DHCP process, which is actually the DORA process. Discover, offer, response, acknowledge that. And if you know about networking, you should be knowing this. And then they asked me if I have any experience working with Jenkins, experience with AWS, and the services which I have worked on AWS. So yeah, that was it. It was around 1 hour, but they finished the interview within 30 minutes, and I didn't get any response back from the recruiter. This was last month, first week of August. Last month, I gave this interview, and I thought I should make a video to help you guys with the questions which I got in the interview, so that you can also prepare and give the interview if you're interested in this profile. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like the video, comment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I keep posting these interview related my experience. I share that, and I post the questions which were asked to me in the interviews, and I also give notes on these topics which are I'm preparing for whatever interview I've given before. And if you're new to the channel, you can also watch my AWS Cloud Support Engineer videos, uh, and you can prepare for that role. They basically ask Linux and networking questions in the interviews, and you can prepare for that and get placed at Amazon as a AWS cloud support engineer. Okay, yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you in next one. Bye bye.